Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another unboxing video. Today's video is an unboxing of an art supply box from Upcrate. I've been waiting to try the products for a while now, so let's dive in and see what creative goodies await us. This is my first box from Upcrate and I'm so excited to open the box. I'm going to challenge myself to create art using only the materials in this box. It's going to be fun to see what I can make, so stay tuned. First up, we have some A5 drawing paper. It feels thick and smooth, perfect for sketching and detailed drawings. This is definitely going to be a staple for future projects. Next comes prints of images of works by children's life. I also got a few stickers. This is a small addition to my sticker collection, I just love them. How I love it when everything is packed so nicely. I love packages in general and it's like opening a surprise gift from a stranger. We also have a large black acrylic marker, perfect for bold lines and clean outlines. I can't wait to see how it performs in my next painting. This box also includes a set of 5 Ecoline brush markers with vibrant colors. I'm excited to experiment with them and see what kind of effects I can create. There's also a 10mm liner pen, which will be perfect for drawing small details and adding those finishing touches. And the top it off, a beautiful shade of yellow acrylic paint by Pen Go, the ideal color for highlights or creating a vibrant background. Well, that's all that was in this month's box from Upcrate. I decided to test the marker and oh my god, it turned out to be so cool. I really like the paint quality. Now that I have all these amazing art supplies, it's time to come up with an idea for my artwork. I'm always looking for inspiration and I think this box has given me a lot to work with. I'm not sure what I'm going to create yet, but I'm excited to experiment and see what comes out. I usually go to Pinterest and find something there for my future drawings, but this time I didn't find anything there, so I decided to draw something from my head that didn't work out for me either. So I decided to draw what everyone loves: memes. Everyone loves memes. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's start drawing. Here you can see how I'm trying to protect my table, because I don't really trust the markers that I got yet. I don't want to ruin it. I'm taping everything down so it doesn't slip. Next, I'm starting to sketch. Of course, it didn't work out the first time. I'm not surprised because it's a face, and the child's face at that, so I'm starting over. This time I've already made small sketches of where the head, eyes, nose, eyebrows and lips will be. This way it's a bit easier to maintain the proportions. I saved almost the entire drawing process, picked out some music, enjoy. And for the impatient ones, I have left a timestamp of the result in the video description or in comments section. very end I realized something. It turns out that I was sitting too low and in a way that my head was blocking your view, and so the drawing and face of this girl turned out to be a bit stretched. You can see it now. Thank you for the lesson. I will take this into account next time. Well, here's the result. What did I manage to draw using only what came in the package? By the way, you could see the process of drawing an art mannequin in my sketchbook in my shorts. Yes, I'm not very happy with the result of the drawing I did today. After all, I will definitely repeat this drawing someday, but with better skills. Then we will compare. In general, I will be very glad to read your impressions of the video in the comments, as this is my first serious big video on the channel, and in general this is the first time I have appeared like this in the video on social networks. I'm very excited and I hope for your reactions and feedback. See you next time, and please write in the comments what kind of content you would like to see on my channel. This would help me a lot. I want to create content that you enjoy, so please let me know what you like and dislike. Thank you for watching.